Will you be mine? I won't do you wrong. I won't do you wrong. Cause lately my mind.
Oh baby, and I'm back and I'm Birkin. No 9 to 5, put the work in.
What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, you guys are gonna follow me around. I'm gonna do like a vlog video so you guys can just see what I do during the day. It's my friend's graduation party today, so we're gonna run a couple errands. It's currently 10 o'clock in the morning, so we're gonna buy a couple stuff, sort out a couple things, and then later on get ready for the graduation. So I'm just gonna take you guys with me, fly around, drive around, and yeah, run my errands with me. I'm looking a bit, I don't know, dead, but later on tonight we're gonna fix up. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. I'm gonna show you guys what makeup I'm gonna wear, everything, so you guys can just follow me around all day. If you guys want to see more of these kind of videos, let me know in the comments. If you want to follow me on my socials, it'll be right here. So hey guys, before we get into the whole errand whatever, we're gonna go get some breakfast. We're gonna go have some English breakfast. I'm very hungry, so we're gonna have some breakfast, and then after that we're gonna do what we have to do.
I've been gone for a while and you've been patient. Girl, I think we need a vacation.
Guys, I got everything that we need for the party. I'm chalking to my car to put it all in the car. Then we're gonna go home and we're gonna start getting ready. I'm just waiting for one of my friends to come over as well because she wanted to get ready together. And then yeah, we're just gonna go from there. I think I'm running a bit late, but you know, with Somalis you're always running late anyway. Guys, if there's any rituals that you guys follow when you're getting ready for a party, let me know, because I never have any and I'm always late for a party. I always tell myself I'm gonna get ready, I'm gonna do this, and then I never do. So if there's anything that I should follow and I should learn, let me know, because I think I need new ideas on how I could get ready quicker and quicker. Because let me get in my car. But yeah, okay, see, can't even see me. But yeah, I'm always late and I'm always running late. I'm always, you know, behind in life. So if there's any, just let me know.
Just like pearls, you're back against the world. I never trade you for anybody else. Sing about
The look that we're going for, we wore a red dress and then I just did a turban. I don't know how the turban turned out, but I kind of like how it turned out. Then I'm going to put some earrings on and everything, and then we're going to be off to the party.
channel. Like, comment and subscribe. Yeah, see. Hi guys. Like, comment and subscribe or I'm coming for all of you.
Anyway, at our friend's graduation party. Where are we?
We're celebrating the graduation of Dhuuho.
Oh, give him a name.
She's been busy saving lives, so today she's busy celebrating. So we've got our designated photographer. Everyone say graduation! You even need the flash. We've got lights today. Try without flash and then with flash. Okay. I'm not a YouTuber, I'm about to see something different.
After Nabioti.
So here we've got a nice selection of snacks. Snack number 1. Oh my god, the flash is here. It's because I'm a flower, I'm blooming. Yes! Khadija! Khadija! Happy graduation to you! Happy graduation to you! Happy graduation! It's Duke's over here with the takeover. But anyway, I hope you enjoy the video. Like, comment and subscribe.
Hey guys, we are done and we had a good evening, right?
The evening was lit.
We had a
great time.
Yes.
It was lit. Your party could never.
If you want like some entertainment, you can offer someone.
You have to liven up your party.
That's what I'm saying. And make sure you follow her. What's your
subscribe to my YouTube. It's called Rahma Ali.
Don't subscribe to her, subscribe to me.
Can you edit in when I say Rahma Ali? You should edit in like a ding.
Like little bell. We got it. Did you enjoy it?
Loved it.
The amount of stuff is on the table. Look at this. That's but we enjoyed it. If you want to see more vlogs, let me know, and we're gonna put some more. But if you want to know what this place is called, I'll tag them below as well, and then you guys can come here if you want. But for now, I'll see you guys in my next video.